What is going on, guys? So it's been a while. I've been away from the YouTube editing world for quite some time, but I've been on dad duties. But tonight's video, I want to share something really exciting on my end. For me, we picked up a MacBook Pro M3 Max. Probably you didn't watch the video, but I had a small unboxing video back in 2019 of our Intel-based MacBook Pro 16-inch prior to when the pandemic hit, and it's been my workhorse since the past 3 years. So I was able to go ahead and sell that for a nice deal and pick this up this past weekend. This past weekend we were on our family vacation, and here it is, the MacBook Pro. All right, this is a 16-inch. I decided to go for a 16, not the 14, but I wanted to share this unboxing experience with you guys. Very excited for this, and I got it in space black, and I want to kind of just do comparison between the midnight color, the space gray, and also the space black. So yeah, let's get this unboxing started. Alright guys, so this is the unboxing all done. What I did was I put a screen protector from Spigen on immediately and didn't want any type of dust. Pretty cool. It shuts just right. Doesn't keep the MacBook on. I know screen protectors and silicone keyboard covers, you have to be really careful with these retina screens right here. So this one doesn't leave any type of gaps. Shuts just fine. I like it. It sits very, very flush. I'm gonna see if I can get a closer look with the MacBook itself, using the phone right here. But all right, so let's see if I can do this right here. All right, so as you can see from here, it sits very, very flush. And it doesn't prevent it from closing at all. So it sits like right there, like right here. There's no, it doesn't try to do this one-handed, but as you can see from here, it sits perfect. So it's not coming out, it sits very flush, it's not protruding. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to close it. Alright, and right as I close it, see? Like right there. All right. So, hope this was a useful video. In the meantime, I'm gonna continue messing around with the MacBook, installing some accessories, doing compare and comparison. But that is about it for tonight's video.